Lees je nog met de iPad? Ongelooflijk. Het is altijd zo intimiderend om een 3-jarige te zien wat slimmer as jy is. Nou ja. As hy. Dus maak hem los. Alright, I'm going to go on to this one. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get rid of this one altogether. You've been doing a superb job with the sound, I have to say. And even with lights, you know. For someone who doesn't understand most of what's going on, you know, I sang about the sun earlier and then you just put on a red light. That was amazing. So ja, wat was Bee Gees, Nirvana en Elvis in een keer. Natuurlijk ook een lekker ritme, so die mensen die gevoel kan krijgen. Iets soos...
You think my love's been taken, I think you're so mistaken. Still love. You think my heart's been broken, and that I have been moping, but I still love. I've pushed our past back to itself, place fresh future on the shelf. Some days are better than the rest. Rest days, these days ain't get less. One more thing. Did I forget to